Okay, so Naim, where are we?
We are at the Changi Beach.
This is our first stop.
There.
Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bikes. So we are going to Penang tonight.
Yes,
Penang.
Yes, we're going Penang.
Okay.
Penang Road. Ini yang meja raket merek kan? Demi handle merek.
Bawa pilih mana demi handle kat bawah, paling bawah. Kalau dia biasa. Kalau kan dia orang bikin ni dekat dalam ni orang letak duct tape, lepas tu yang ni lagi satu set.
Okay, so this is our organizer for tonight's ride.
Pakai apa tau? Aku dah pakai, aku tak pergi.
How you guys doing?
So full attendance?
Full attendance, alhamdulillah.
Full attendance, okay.
Oh.
Eh, is that Amiruddin? The soccer player?
No.
Eh, siap ah. Amiruddin ah. Wow.
Let's go guys.
Apa? Minta top up apa?
Wah.
Tangan tak termalu je.
Daripada terbang.
Okay, this is our second stop, Terminal 4, Changi Airport.
Landing time.
We are being monitored by the police car over there. Okay, so this is our third stop at Mount Faber.
Alright.
Okay, everyone is admiring their own machines.
Cameraman.
Sekarang dah kena ambil tau. Jangan main-main tau.
Cameraman must have license.
Okay, so this is our next stop, Kent Ridge Park.
Dia dah tidur. Biasa bulan madu dia kata.
So I believe that is Bukit Chandu. Okay, this is our next stop at Lim Chu Kang Road. And we are trying to figure out how to take photo of us with this bus stop.
Aku nampak anjing.
Nampak dua anjing.